love egg rolls, then keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. Friends, can you see? I got my pickle shirt on. So today, friends, we are going to make air fryer pickle egg rolls. Yep, that's right, air fryer pickle egg rolls. So I am going to jump right into this video, go over all the ingredients, and let's get started. Alrighty, so we have some egg roll wrappers. I just have a package there. I have some ranch seasoning, some granulated garlic or garlic salt, or you can use garlic powder, some olive oil to spray our egg roll wrappers when we put them in our air fryer. I have some cream cheese. I have that sitting out so it would get soft. I have some bacon bits. You can also use regular bacon. You can do like 6 or 7 slices of regular bacon. I have Mexican cheese, some dill pickles, and a scallion. And friends, that is all the ingredients we'll be using today. All right, my friends, so that is all the ingredients. So let's go ahead. I do have my hand mixer. I have my 4 ounces of cream cheese in my bowl. Like I said, it was sitting out to get room temperature, soft enough that we can easily mix it. So I already have that in my bowl. So let's turn the camera down and mix everything together and make these egg rolls. All right, we have 4 ounces of our cream cheese. We're gonna add in a cup of Mexican cheese. I use my hand because my hand is a cup. Friends, I am sorry, I'm having problems with my light. I'm not quite sure what is happening. It keeps turning off and on me, and now I'm trying to hit the off and on button. We're gonna go with it. So I have a cup of that. I'm gonna put in a teaspoon of the ranch dry seasoning. Okay. And a half a teaspoon of garlic salt, or I use granulated garlic. I do have 1 scallion. I used my little herb scissors and cut that up. So we're gonna add that in there. I have 1 cup of diced pickles, dill pickles. And then I'm going to put in about a half a bag of a 2.5 ounce bag of bacon bits. Maybe a little bit more. I like bacon. Yeah, it's about 2 ounces. Friends, that is it. I'm going to get my hand mixer. We're going to go ahead and mix this all together and then get our egg rolls put together. Alrighty, my friends. Pickle flying out. Smells good. Ah! Did y'all see that? Pickle flew out and hit me. And there we have it. Woohoo! How awesome. All right, now let's move over to my workstation where I have the egg roll wrappers, and we'll go ahead and put that all together. All right, my friends, so I have my egg roll wrappers already out, ready to go. I have 2 laid out on a diagonal. I have some pickle juice. You can use water if you want. I'm just using pickle juice. I have my air fryer tray over here. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting a little bit in the center of our wrapper. Oh, that's way too much. Just like that. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more in there. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit more cheese. All right, my friends. So then I'm just going to kind of make it like oblong kind of deal. Going to take my finger and dip in my pickle juice. Wipe along the edges, just like that. Okay. We're going to put our wrapper in up like that, tuck that in real tight. We're going to roll it, and as we start to roll, we're going to pull our sides in just like that, and then just tuck it and roll. Just like that, friends. And I'm going to put it on my tray. And then we're going to go ahead and wrap all of these up and then get ready and cook them because Mama is hungry. All right, my friends, so now I have my egg rolls here, and I'm just going to take a little bit of my olive oil and spray the tops of them so they'll get nice and crispy. And friends, I forgot to mention when I was adding my Mexican cheese, I have also done this with dill pickle Havarti cheese as well. I've shredded up a little bit of that, and I had used that in addition to the Mexican cheese, or I've mixed both of them. So if you do have that, it is a nice little kick, just a FYI. So let's go ahead and put this in our air fryer. Alrighty, we are going to put it on 400. I'm going to put it in for about 3 minutes, and then we're going to flip them. See you in a few. Alright, my friends. Check them out. Definitely could have gone another minute or two on that side, so we're going to go a little bit longer. Other side. You just want to be careful that you don't burn them. I'm going to take my olive oil again, do a quick spray. I may have sprayed a little too much olive oil on it, to be honest with you. All right, I'm going to go ahead. Oops. And I'm going to do 3 minutes on 400, and then I may flip them and do another minute or two, and we'll see. All right, friends, let's check these out and see if they are done. Okay, I'm definitely going to put them back in for about another 2 minutes for sure. Yeah, for sure. Oop. All right, my friends. There we go. Delish. All right, let's go ahead, let this cool for a few. We'll plate it up and do our taste test. All right, my friends, so here you have it. Does that look delicious or what? I have a little bit of buttermilk ranch with this. You do not need to use that, but I like it. Yum. Oh, it's so hot. Mmm. So good. You just need to be careful because of the cream cheese. These do get very, very hot inside. I'm sorry. I did not say. They're really good. Oh my gosh. I love these so much. Oh my gosh, they're so, so good. So friends, I will put the recipe, I'll tape it out in the description box for you below. So I just want to say thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you are enjoying National Pickle Month. I am having a blast with it. Don't forget, you want to go ahead and enter for my Pickle Monthly giveaway. I have gotten a lot more stuff from what I had shown in the video. I will also link that in the description box as well, because you definitely want to enter. So friends, thank you so much. If you haven't already, please hit that little subscribe button. As I always say, it helps me out a great deal. Any thumbs up, hitting the subscribe button, hitting that little bell, it allows me to continue doing what I am doing. Also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.